Have you ever been late to a meeting, a party, a movie, a dinner just because you couldn't find a parking spot? What if I showed you where that parking spot was? What if I took you to it? And what if I reduced carbon emissions from this? Every search for a parking spot equals to 1.3 kg of CO2 emissions per search. Here is an app called GOPARKO. GOPARKO is an app that can help you find a parking spot wherever you are. Life is a journey, enjoy the ride, let's go places. I'm Tarush, Garg, and I'll be taking you through this. So how does GOPARKO work? So here is the app. The app needs a lot of research and development. So right now, this is how the basic looks like. So that's your home button, your rewards button, so your memberships, and your reservations, and your profile picture. As you can see, there are two gray buttons. So that one shows the battery of your electric car via Bluetooth, and we'll be doing that connection. But if you have one, then it will only display, or you won't have that button. Second is find a parking spot button. When you click on that, it will show you where your parking spot is, and eventually show you where your parking actually is via the grid map, which I'll talk about later. The blue ones are about your memberships and how many points you have. So there's a lot of sign up needed. You need to enter your driver's license so we can verify that you're driving of legal age. We need your car details such as car model and number plate. And when you go somewhere, just go somewhere, press that button, find a parking spot, and start parking. So how do we get our data? For indoor parking such as malls, we'll be using CCTVs and sensors. Again, this is where the grid map comes in. As you can see, you'll draw little squares on your phone. So like you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares there. And you will have your car at the bottom like an icon. And what will happen is, using the CCTVs and sensors, we'll provide you real-time data. For example, if a car is there, then it'll show red. And if the car is not there, it'll be green. This is how we get real-time data to you. For satellite images, so that's outdoor parking, we'll be using satellite imagery. Using machine learning models and codes such as AI/ML, we'll be able to find out where, so here's an example. As you can see, this program shows that if there's a car there, so right now it shows all green, but when I give this to you on the app, where there's a parking spot, it will be red, and where it's free, it's going to be green. That's how we do outdoor parking. Our target markets for Tier 1 are drivers who often go out and require parking solution. Tier 2 is public transportation users, cyclists. Tier 3 are individuals who find parking as a significant hassle or time-consuming activity. The total market size is $4.4 billion. So how will we attract these customers? How will we attract these people and use the $4.4 billion market? So this is where your car details comes in. We'll be doing reservations. So you will be allowed to prepay for your parking spot. So what will happen is that you won't be guaranteed that your parking spot is going to be there, but you'll be guaranteed that you will find a parking spot via the GOPARKO map. What happens is you'll get 10 reservations for free. So you will prepay on your phone, and we'll use your car details and number plate. We'll say, oh, this person has arrived, and what you'll do is on your phone, you will press, I'm here. Therefore, the people at the mall, for example, would know, oh, this person with this number plate and car models arrived, there's this parking spot, and then via GOPARKO, we'll show you where it is. So you get up to 10 reservations for free with basic parker and a search upgrade with 2 kilometers, that's a radius. For Pro Parker, you get up to 25 reservations or pre-booking for free, a search radius increase of plus 5 kilometers, and discount on hourly prices for parking. Eco Parker, 20 reservations for free, distance upgrade plus 5 kilometers, and you get discount on the electricity you pay for. For a points model, for every 2 hours, you get 5 points. The more points, the more benefits. The GOPARKO total profit over time will increase. By 2030, it will be at its high, at its peak, and we will be progressing to increase even more with our revenue model, such as our subscriptions. Our strategy canvas. GOPARKO will outperform all the other parking services in all the other aspects, but GOPARKO will introduce EV chargers, such as making them with our gross profit, and subscriptions, better pricing in subscription models, and memberships. To be in depth, compared to Spot Hero Parkways, Parkopedia, and Best Parking, GOPARKO will be available everywhere. GOPARKO will be available in low developed countries and high developed countries. But these 4 companies are only available in high developed countries or North America. Also, we'll be giving EV chargers, such as none of our competitors will be doing that, to be more sustainable. So, did you know that 90% of the drivers worldwide find it hard and difficult to find a parking spot? And then 92% of the electric drivers are anxious or worried that they won't be able to find a parking spot when they go outside. So what will GOPARKO do? GOPARKO will eliminate excessive time, anxiety, worries, and frustration when finding a parking spot for those EV drivers and those 90% of the drivers worldwide. GOPARKO will raise customer service standards, make it more efficient to find a parking spot, and more real-time data through satellite imagery and CCTVs and sensors. GOPARKO will reduce its carbon emissions, so reduce those 1.3 kg of CO2 emissions per search. GOPARKO will help you find parking spots around the world, wherever you are, indoor or outdoor, and GOPARKO will get EV chargers and help those EV drivers find those parking spots. Join GOPARKO in this mission to use technology to make convenience around the world and get you to your meeting, to your parking, to your dinner, to your movie faster. Life is a journey, enjoy the ride, let's go places.